Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countif with multiple criteria from same column. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use the Countif on the category column. So simply select the cell, use is equal to and use enter the count and select here the Countif functions. After that select the range of column. So I select here the category column range. Okay. After the range selection, use the comma and enter here the multiple criteria. So I use here the curly bracket and in curly bracket in double quote, I enter the electronics category. So I'm going to count the electronics category. Again, I use the double quote. Okay. Check here the spellings also. Okay. It must match as per your data. Use the comma. Again, use the double quote and enter the second category. Clothing. So this is the second criteria here I enter. Again, I use here the curly bracket and the bracket to close the function and just enter. That's it. Here you can see 2070 is the electronics category count and 2093 is a clothing category count. So let's see. Check. So simply I select the cell, used here the apply here the filter shift control L and I select here only electronics category and just drag below and 2070 is a count of electronic category. It's correct. Again, I select the clothing category and here want 2093. 2093. It's also correct. Okay. So 2093. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.